Welcome to the assembly video of the CURT 18151 cargo carrier. Align the two platform halves and fit them together. Place the shank between the platform halves and align the hardware holes. Place the included carriage bolts through the platforms and shank hardware holes and fasten together with the included washers and lock nuts. Do not fully tighten at this time. Attach the rear connecting plate to the frames using the included bolts from the outside of the frames and fasten with the included washers and lock nuts to the inside of the frames. Repeat this process again for the front plate. Fully tighten all bolts and lock nuts. Connect the folding shank assembly to the fixed shank with the supplied hex bolt, lock nut, pin, and clip. Congratulations, you have now assembled your CURT 18151 cargo carrier. Now get ready to bring it.